Hi guys and welcome back po sa Tarot Page Philippines. So, this video gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising na Taurus for April 27 to May 3. So, kung bago po kayo, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi nyo alam yung Sun, Moon, Rising mo, sa end ng video may link para mapanood mo siya. Readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. If you need private readings po or spell works, you can message me. And every Friday till Sunday, sa Oh My Gulay in Session Road, we have face-to-face readings. If you want to support our channel, para sa growth, you can click the join button or the thanks button sa baba. Sa ating mga cards mo, we have here a leg up, chop wood, the fates, building blocks, no place like home, higher power, and exchanging gifts. At yung deities mo is si Pan and Venus. Okay, so ano ba yung na-expect natin para sa'yo, Taurus? This is a progressive reading, meaning malalanasan mo siya from the date na minention natin. It will run until the next 4 to 1 to 2 months ang progression niya. Okay, so again, what are we expecting? So we have your una is number 34, nalaglag, a leg up. Okay, so okay, walang masamang hingi ng tulong ha. If things are not going well for you, yung mga bagay ay hindi maganda, huwag kang mag-hesitate, please naman humingi ng tulong. Yes, andoon na may mga moments na sabi nga, yung on the negative archetype daw ng Taurus, it's yung yung may stubbornness kayo. Depende kung nasang placement siya. But the thing is, this is an advice from the universe. Kasi, kumbaga tingnan natin si Galatians chapter 6 verse 2, di ba? Assignment mo, basahin mo. And can you comment it sa baba kung ano yung nakalagay sa version na mababasa nyo. So, andito na sinasabi ng card sa'yo na asking help is never a sign na mahina ka. Actually, it is a sign na malakas ka. Kasi it takes courage para umamin na hindi mo na kaya. Kailangan ng tatag ng loob para, alam mo yung pagpapakumbaba, para humingi ng tulong or ng assistance mula sa ibang tao. Now, yung point kasi dito, kaya humingi ka ng assistance is because literal, andun ka na sa dulo. Sa dulo ka na eh. Andun na medyo nasa nasa edge ka na of your capacity. And the universe needs you to understand na may mga bagay na hindi mo dapat ipansantabi and hindi mo mabubuhat mag-isa. So, a moment of asking for the right person or the right group of people for help is the wisest decision na gagawin mo ngayon. Now, ang next card natin mo is 42, chop wood. Okay. So again, this is a Chinese proverbs na ibig sabihin, chop wood, get water. Sabihin, pagpatuloy mo yung ginagawa mo. Of course, kung hihingi tayo ng tulong, Taurus, and doon, we need to also make adjustments sa sarili natin. Parang ganito, sabihin natin, di ba? Nanghingi ng tulong kasi sabihin natin, ay, nagkaroon ng emergency. Sabihin natin, nawalan ng gas. Example lang, nawalan ng gas. So, may tumulong. May nag-extend ng help sa'yo, a leg up. Now, sabi ni Chopwood, then baguhin mo na yung style mo. If before, hindi ka gumagawa ng para magtabi pa unti-unti para doon sa possible emergencies, this time, do it. So, may mga mag-rebat niyan, kasi kulang yung kinikita ko. Then, that's another concern, huwag siya tawagin problema, bagong oportunidad siya para maayos mo. So, it's a chance for you to find another way to make money. Sabihin ng iba, wala na kasi akong oras eh. May mga kasama ka sa buhay. Andoon na may mga minor, kung wala kang oras, ano ba yung mga bagay na pinagkakaabalahan mo na hindi naman nagbibigay sa'yo ng any positive things or positive experience? Tignan mo doon, ano yung pwede mong eliminate. So, kumbaga, ang gagawin ng universe, kaya siguro tagal na ito for 1 to 2 months tong progression reading mo, andoon na uunti-untiin yung pinaka-root ng problems mo hanggang ma-pinpoint mo yung pinaka-main problem at mula doon, doon yung titirahin yung ugat. So, it's like parang yung training namin, it's like Lean Six Sigma, eliminating the problem at its core. So, Yun yung isang gagawin sa'yo ng universe. Medyo mabilis 1 to 2 months to. Okay, so ano ba yung next natin? So we have here is the card of the fates. Ito yung maganda. Once na nagkaroon ka na ng realization na, ay, oo nga, no, ito yung pinaka-core problem ko, tapos naayos mo from pinaka-ugat paangat. Kasi, parang gato yung sa mga nag-gardening, kung gusto mo talaga mamatay yung halaman, yung damo, doon sa garden mo, hindi mo lang siya kailangan bunutin, dapat matanggal mo yung pinaka-ugat niya. Kasi andun yung life andun yung pinaka-buhay. Same thing with the problem. Now, the card of fate is saying there will be a turn around para sa'yo. There will be a major revamp na gagawin ng universe. Well, siguro part na rin to yung pumasok I think Uranus yata yung pumasok. Uranus in Gemini. So this will be a revamp na bibigay sa'yo ng universe. This will be a chance for you para magkaroon ka ng new direction and new things in your life. Uranus in Gemini nga, new things in your life that will allow you to expand in the different areas kung nasa ang house yung yung Taurus placement mo. If it's like say nasa 4th house yung Taurus placement mo, then you can expect there will be growth and stability within your family. If it's in sabi natin nasa 10th house siya, so andoon na you can expect that there will be career expansion. So depende kung nasan yung placement mong yan, ha? Kaya check yung birth chart mo. Importante yun. Now, ano ba sunod natin? We have your 28 building blocks. So, this building blocks, kasi since naka-reverse siya, so may mga shaking na mangyayari. So, parang sabihin natin siya, tawagan siya parang mini personalized earthquake mo na kung saan bibigyan ka ng, kumaga yung, may phrase sa Bible shake the shakeable so that the unshakable will stay. Alugen yung mga pwedeng maalog para yung hindi kayang maalog, mananatili. Ganon yung ginagawa ng universe for you. Kasi, paano ba, ewan ko nakabit na kayong documentary, paano linis ng, maging puro yung ginto. Pinapadaan yun sa apoy. So, lahat ng mga impurities, yung mga sabi natin lupa, kung ano man yun, bato, na wala namang worth or hindi naman valuable, is masusunog. Ang matitira is gold. So, that's where you are standing right now. You are that gold. Ikaw yung nire-refine ng universe. Ikaw yung binibigyan ng chance to be to be valuable. Kasi, andito na inaangat na yung yung value mo ni universe. So, it's time that you allow the universe to baptize you in fire. Kumbaga, literal, susunugin yung mga. Pero pag nakita mo susunog na, huwag mo nang pigilan, hayaan mo masunog. Kasi para maiwan yung mga importante. So, ano ba bang mga expect natin? So, we have your number 50, no place like home. Of course, the universe wants to also build yung relationship mo with your family. Hindi lang to yung biological, Pwedeng ito yung family na mga pinili natin, mga family na, yung mga tao na nagstay sa mga oras na kailangan natin na masasandalan. So, i-build ng universe yon. Andoon na mas papalalimin, i-enrich siya. And another thing here, what I'm getting with this card, is andito na i-call ka ng universe na medyo magstay ka muna sa bahay or you need to open your communication with your family as well. Kasi it is a moment na bibigyan ka ng chance ng universe to create new memories with them na magiging source of your inspiration. Which is, susunod tayo sa next card mo, si Higher Power, number 4. Okay. So, dito kasi, i-connect natin si No Place Like Home. While you're at home, andon kasi na while you're connecting with the other generation, yung older generation or younger generation, depende sa edad mo, andon nagkakaroon ng passing of knowledge, nagkakaroon ng pasahan ng experience. So, andoon na power does not just come from above. It also comes from the ancestors natin. So, yung mga tipong mga kwento na, di ba may mga grandparents tayo or magulang tayo na they talk about their personal experience and then hindi mo namamalayan while you're listening, ang dami mo na nakukuha ng mga life lessons mula doon. So this is where the universe will also work to build that power inside of you. Kasi ewan ko sa Isaiah chapter 60 yata yun, verse 1. Sabi doon, arise, shine. Sabi doon, arise. Inutusan niya yung tao, arise and shine. So sabi niya, bumangon ka tapos magliwanag ka kasi dumating na yung liwanag mo. So there are two sources of light, from above and ikaw. So, i-harness lang ng universe yung light within you. And of course, in everything na may binibigay ang universe, there's always Whoever 27 exchanging gift. There is also what you need to let go. Ano ba yung mga bagay na hindi na nag-work para sa'yo? What are the negative energies or ideologies mo, thinking mo, hobbies mo, even yung gamit, relationship, yung mga kung ano man yung pinagkakabala mo na hindi naman nakakatulong sa'yo. It's time to eliminate them. That is the sacrifice you're going to give so that you can arise and shine. Now, while you arise and shining, ano bang sinasabi ng mga deities mo? So we have here Pan, number 17. So, anxiety, resourcefulness, and a wish to live. And also, si Tita Venus. So, number 4, beauty, value, and a wish to love. So, these two deities are advising you din na this is a time for you to really step into your power. So, ando na parang isipin natin yung kanta ni Elsa do sa Frozen 2, 'di ba? Show yourself. Kasi may pardon, show yourself, step into the power. So, ito na yung moment, ito na yung call mo ngayon eh. That you need to show who you really are. That gold inside of you, kailangan na talagang ma-refine. Kasi, that is where your beauty is eh. Remember, this is also your ruling planet, si Venus. So, aalaw mo lang na yung element, yung gift ng planet na yon sa house mo is magma-magnify pa. So, I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes. So, use your free will wisely. And kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. Kung kailangan nyo po ng private readings or spell works, do message me. And every Friday till Sunday, in Oh My Gulay and Session Road, we do face-to-face readings po. If you want to support our channel to grow, you can click the join button or the thanks button sa baba. So maraming salamat sa Taurus. God bless. Namaste. Hare Krishna. Blessed be and hope to see you soon. From Maga City, have a great day. Bye for now.